Komiti mar od bura mochung' ne weche mag omenda kawuono ni ndio odayo dho jatend migawo mar omenda Njuguna Ndung'u ewi osuru mar mauta. Ndung'u okwero ni piny owacho ne ogolo bilion 17 aguch omenda. Omedo ni chenro no wito oko tok kaka ne osefweny ni ne odhi kawo omenda modhuro mag jopiny.
The whole idea of what was PDL was supposed to be used as a stabilization tool. That is, it accumulates resources when prices are low, and when prices rises, they can actually stabilize the prices so that you are not hit by the peak. So it actually smoothens the price rising because you cannot actually subsidize. You cannot actually move again to subsidy. It was actually a stabilization tool. So once we were out of the subsidy, it means that the PDL will now kick in to become the tool of price stabilization. That is, it smoothens the increase in prices. It does not absorb the increase in prices because it's going to be very expensive to do that. And that is something that is clear. But before even Bernard presents this, Chairman, let me also move on and say that we tried to pay the slightly over 66 billion, and we agreed with oil marketing companies month by month, but it came to a point where we were still unable to pay, and we were at around 43 billion after a long time, and I think you recall that, Mr. Chairman. And what we did was to securitize that, and so that it became now a debt, but we provided the instruments to hold that debt.
Ramogi.